Hello guys, glad to see you on my new YouTube video. Today we're gonna talk about a really cool reading tracker, Bookmory. So I'm gonna be showing you how to download this app, how to use it, and so on. So let's get started. First of all, let's install this application on our device. So you can install it in Play Store or App Store. Open up it, then of course log into your account, and then click on the search box and type here Bookmory to find the necessary application. So this is how the app looks like. So click on it, and there is the install button. So click here and just wait. By the way, this application is really cool. You can see the app's rating 4.8. It's really good, and this app has more than million downloads. By the way, this is how the apps looks like. This app really convenient and simple, and I advise you to try to use it. So let's try to open it up. Click on the open button. Okay, easily track your reading. See your reading stats at a glance. Just read, your calendar updates automatically. Build a habit that brings you closer to books. Okay, start. Welcome. First of all, I have to warn you, you don't need to create an account here. You can use this application for free. So, because to create a full account, you need to buy a subscription. So, but you can sign in to sync your application. Okay, now let's move to the first page, the welcome page. So this is how it looks like. Well, here you can add a book. To do it, just click on the plus button right here, or just right here, add a book. So to add a book, you can select one of these ways, by search, by barcode, or by input. For example, by search, you can type here anything. For example, Shadow Thrill. Okay. And then you can add it right here. On this page, you can add more about this book, add ISBN, total pages, languages, authors, translators, and other information about this book. And after that, just click on the play on the save button at the top right. The total pages field is required, so you have to type here something, and then you can click on the save button. And after that, the book has been added, as you can see. Now let's get back to the main page and scroll down a bit. So here also you can find your wish list. For example, here you can add a book to your wish list. Just find the necessary book like we did it just now and add it to your wish list. So let's add this book, for example. Okay. Also on this page you can find your purchased books, book calendar. This is how it looks like. In the book calendar you will see your books and how many pages do you read for this day. Also here you can see streak. Now I have 0 days, of course. And also there is daily statics, annual statics, tag statics, and collections and series. So to start reading, you have to click on the book right here, and then click on the start reading button right here. Okay, and here it is. This is our first day. So the timer is started, and now here you can see my book. Okay, and the second one. And now I can add a note about this book. Click on this icon, input yourself, for example, and just type here something about this book. Yeah, and then click right here. Okay, and just scroll down a bit, and here you will see all your notes about this book. It's very convenient. And now we can go to the second tab. The second tab is memorize. So here you will see all your notes, your memorize. As you can see, you have written one notes. Here it is, A, about this book. And on this page I will see all my notes. I can add notes to favorite, I can random notes, and also, for example, read it, like it, and so on. The fourth tab is achievement. Books which you read are registered in achievement. So when you read the book completely, this book will placed right on this page. Here also you can customize this page. For example, change layout, turn off star ratings, or turn on this function. And the last page is my page, or your profile, my profile. So on this page you can create your account, but to create it you have to buy a subscription. As you can see, you can subscribe now for $29 per year. So also you can sign in for free just to sync. Also here you can share this app with your friends, rate it, for example, change theme, and of course at the very bottom you can find book settings. Here it is. So I think that's all for today. Hope my video was helpful for you. It was a short tutorial and review. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.